GLP-1 and GIP, emotional hunger versus physical hunger, understanding the difference. Have you ever opened the fridge even though you weren't really hungry? Or reached for food just because you felt stressed, bored, lonely, or emotional? If so, you're not alone. We are together in this. Today we're going to talk about the difference between emotional hunger and physical hunger. It's very important to understand the difference between them. Hello and welcome to this channel. If you are new here, my name is Tweki, and on this channel we are learning about GLP-1 and GIP therapies in a simple, practical way so that everyone can understand it, between you and me, so that I can understand it. In my previous videos, we've discussed how these therapies work in our bodies, the side effects, the benefits, and protein. And last week we discussed electrolytes and hydration, which is very important. Today we're looking at something just as important: our relationship with food. Remember, your body is in a relationship with food, and it's very important to understand it. As always, I'm not a doctor. Please remember that. I'm not a professional. This video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. So what is physical hunger? What is physical hunger? Physical hunger comes from our body. You must understand, it comes from our body. It develops gradually, often several hours after eating. That is physical hunger. Your stomach may growl, your energy level might drop, or something like that. You might feel you are really hungry. Your stomach will tell you when you are hungry. And almost any nourishing food sounds appealing. Once you've eaten enough, you feel satisfied. And that is physical hunger. Now, emotional hunger is totally different. It often comes on suddenly, just like that. Instead of coming from our stomach, it starts with an emotion. Like stress, sadness, boredom, loneliness, even celebration can trigger emotional hunger. And that is what we need to understand. Emotional hunger, we usually crave specific comfort foods like ice cream, chocolates, and even after eating, you still feel emotionally unsatisfied. Now remember, GLP-1 and GIP therapies may reduce the physical hunger for many people, but they don't automatically remove emotional eating habits that may have developed over many years. Yes, you heard me correct. Emotional hunger eating habits may have developed over many years. So what can help? The first step is very simple. Noticing the difference. That's what you need to know. You need to know the difference between the two. Before eating, pause and ask yourself, am I physically hungry or am I trying to comfort an emotion? If it is emotional hunger, consider another healthy option or response, like taking a short walk, call a friend, pray, or you know what helps? Journal your thoughts, because you must get rid of that emotion that tells you you're craving for chocolates or ice cream. Or simply give yourself a few minutes before deciding to eat. It's very important. One thing I've learned through my own health journey is that healing isn't only physical. Sometimes we also need to care for our hearts, our minds, and our emotions. Understanding why we eat is just as important as understanding what we need to eat. It's very important. Progress doesn't happen through perfection. Remember it. You don't need to be perfect. It happens one small choice at a time, one step at a time. Remember that you don't need to be perfect in any way. In our next video, we're talking about food noise, what it is, why so many people are talking about it, and how GLP-1 and GIP therapies may affect it. It is very important. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share this video. Please subscribe to this channel. It will help me so much. Or share it with someone that might benefit from it. Don't forget to download your free PDF guide on GLP-1 and GIP. The link is in the description of this video below. Thank you for watching this video. It was so awesome to spend time with you this week. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Have an awesome week.